Balikan naman natin ang finale performances nila Jessica Sanchez at Philip Phillips para sa American Idol Season 11. Mula mismo sa Los Angeles, California, may news to go si Pia Arcangel live. Pia?
Hi, Cara. Nandito tayo ngayon sa press room ng American Idol kung saan kasi ko nagbibigay ng payag sina Philip Phillips at Jessica Sanchez. Pakinggan natin.
So much you can take. You want to, they want to help us out, and we take it in, and sometimes it helps and sometimes it doesn't. So we take the best of what we can.
Are you afraid that you're going to miss any tour dates to go through surgery?
No. I'm excited for the tour.
How do you guys plan on getting tonight?
I plan on shutting all the lights off and then, crawling into bed and putting my head on the pillow and falling asleep.
How do you guys feel about getting a sports car?
I'll probably take both Jessica if she wants to get me another person.
Yeah, I agree on it. Like it,
No, we have. I don't know.
Yeah, we
don't
thought about it. Yeah.
We're excited to see what happens.
Yeah.
Can you both talk about how you feel at the certain point after all the stuff that you gave? Can you tell us on a personal note how you felt about your performance?
I mean,
Cara, bale, sa ngayon, nagbibigay sila ng pahayag at kanina nga sinabi na ni Jessica na nagpapasalamat siya sa lahat ng mga fans niya mula sa Pilipinas dahil nabilitaan nga niya na todo buhos ang kanilang suporta sa kanya. Eto, patuloy silang nagbibigay ng pahayag.
yeah. Like from season of America, you all together, that's all work to divide each other's support system.
Yeah, exactly. You make friends, and you have some. You're closer to some than others, but you're all close to talk, with one another. So you really, depend on some people, and like Colton and Heejun, I was really close with, and Elise.
So, Cara, bukas, oras ng umaga dyan sa Pilipinas, ay malalaman na kung sino kina Philip at Jessica ang mananalo. Cara?
Yes, Pia. I understand na yung last song ni Jessica was Change Nothing. Was this an original song? Paano ba pinipili itong kanta na to na ang balita namin na hindi daw nagustuhan masyado ng mga judges? Tama ba yun?
Actually, Cara, ang nangyayari, may mga kanta para sa kanila. Pagpipilian nila yung mga kanta at kung ano yung mapili nila, kung sila ay manalo, yun ang kanilang unang recording. So, yun nga ang napili ni Jessica. At sabi nga niya, titiyakin niya na kapag meron siyang sariling album, sisikapin niya na sariling kanta na niya ang kanyang kanta.
Oo. At totoo ba na yun nga, nagkaroon daw ng standing ovation for Philip on the third round?
Yes, that's right. Sa kanilang huling kanta ay binigyan ng judges ng standing ovation si Philip. Sabi niya ng judges yung kanta na napili ni Philip talagang bagay na bagay sa kanya at wala raw ibang tulad na parang they said there's no other sound like that. Pero ang sinasabi na naman nila yung first round all judges were unanimous in choosing Jessica. Then the second round, si Randy Jackson called it even, but Steven Tyler called it for Jessica. And J-Lo called it for Philip. So talagang dikit ang laban. Sarah?
Yes, Pia. Ano naman ang naging reaksyon ni Jessica doon sa naging comments ng judges sa kanyang performance?
Well, buong puso naman daw niya tinatanggapit. Naiintindihan daw niya na marami daw siyang kailangan matutunan pa at batid daw niya na talagang kapag pumpili ng kata, talagang kailangan maging maingat. So siniyak niya na yun nga kapag full-blown na ang kanyang career ay mas mag-iingat siya sa kanyang mga kanta.
So simula na ng voting ngayon dyan sa Amerika at hanggang anong oras ba ito yung botohan?
Actually, 4 hours from the end of the show. So siguro mga 3 hours na lang ang nalalabit. At alam mo, pare, yung mga kababayan natin dito, kanya-kanyang voting party. Kanina may viewing party. Tapos yung mga nanood ng live, magkakaroon naman ng voting party. So, sabay-sabay daw sila. At saka yung mga nakakausap natin, sabi nila, Cara, hindi lang isang beses bumoto. 30 hanggang 50 beses daw sila bumoboto para kay Jessica mula pa ng umpisa ng American Idol.
Nako, Pia. Nako, ipagdasal na lang natin na manalo ang ating pambato. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Pia Arcangel. Nag-uulat mula sa Los Angeles, California.